Surprise! Not. This video is gonna be for if you like to try for money. My money clan. My name is Money Man, and I got Money Clutch, Money Cool, Money. I think that's it. Money Cool, Money Clutch. Yeah, that's it. So like, if you want to comment, if you want to leave a comment saying that I would like to join, I'll give you 2 months to at least change your gamer tag. And I will just add me on the Xbox and put in the gamer tag in the description. Just add me on the Xbox and yeah. So, and I'll try you out Modern Warfare 2. This is Modern Warfare 2 Trickshot Clan. I don't do prestige lobbies because those are all patched. I used to, but I can't no more. So, but I can do one more, but it is Microsoft points. I have to buy my key ball and all that junk. So, if you want something, just add me, join my clan. You get a free and additional 10th lobby. I'll pay for it. It's alright. But if you join my clan, you can't quit and block me because you just got a free 10th lobby and all that crap. But if you want to join the Honest Leisure, just leave me a comment below, and I'm going to give you my gamer tag in the description. So comment, rate, subscribe, and like me, please. And to help me out, add me to your favorites. Peace.